Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious bean enchiladas at home. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients, like 2 cans of beans, 12 tortillas, and plenty of cheese. Then, we'll prepare a savory filling, assemble the enchiladas with care, and finally bake them to golden perfection. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner and yields about 6 servings, ready in under 45 minutes. To create our delicious filling, begin with 2 15-ounce cans of pinto or black beans, ensuring they are well drained. Mash them thoroughly with a fork or potato masher until mostly smooth, leaving a few chunks for texture. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm, earthy flavor. Finally, mix in 1/2 cup of your preferred red enchilada sauce to keep the filling moist and flavorful. Now, let's assemble these tasty enchiladas. First, warm 12 corn or flour tortillas to make them pliable and easy to roll without tearing. Briefly dip each tortilla into your enchilada sauce to soften it further. Then, place about 1/4 cup of the bean filling down the center of each tortilla. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and arrange them seam-side down in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring they fit snugly. For the grand finale, pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over your beautifully rolled tortillas. Then, sprinkle generously with 1 1/2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese, ensuring every enchilada is covered. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado for perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.